question which asking is this a structure of CIF tree and there are a number of lone pairs. Asking you the central latency. What are the number of lone pairs here? And we're basically asking you the structure of CIF tree. This is the question which is I think asking the NCERT books. So they're asking just the simple non pairs. So basically you have to know all the structures. This is the structure of CIF tree and there is two lone pairs present. These are all lone pairs. Lone pairs. So these two are lone pairs of the Cl atom. So answer I think not 3, not 1, not 4 is 2. This is a question are theoretical basically. So we have to learn all this. These are the structure of CIF3. As you can see that there is two fluorine, 3 fluorine make bondage with Cl and there is two lone pair left because these electrons did not take part in any reaction. And this type of question are more easier and easier because of their simplicity. NEET is easy to crack by physics and chemistry also, but you have to just learn all these stuffs.